Well, hi everybody. We are at Godrej Ananda. Well, lot of greenery I can see in Godrej entrance. Of course, any project of Godrej, if you look out, they're known for the greenery. One of the example, Godrej Royalwood, 1000 plus trees they have given within the property. Similar way, we are also expecting in this project. Now it's 4:30, Saturday, 6th May 2023. But looking like almost we are at 6 o'clock in the evening. But let's explore this project. Let me tell you what are all the options the builder has at this moment to sell. Other things. Let's explore. Well, as I was saying, 20 acre, 20.19 or 20 plus acre of land what Godrej Ananda has, and the project is divided into multiple phases. 1 and 2 is sold out. If anybody is interested for 2 BHK apartment in phase 1 of Godrej Ananda, feel free to call us. We have it in ground floors. Approximately 995 square feet might cost you close to about 60, slightly negotiable on the pricing. Well, this is a 3 BHK Jodi unit of phase 2 and phase 1 which was there. Currently this is closed since nothing is there for sale. These are the phase 3, most probably the sample apartments which are getting ready. Construction is going on. Looks like this is ready, almost ready, of the sample apartments. So here we have, this is phase 3 sample apartments yet to ready. Well, this is the construction update of the project. I'm exactly other side of the project. Well, this is phase 1. We have it on the ground floor. 2 BHKs are available for sale. If anyone interested, don't forget to reach us. We'll be sharing our contact number in description. You can look out almost I can't see which floor the construction is happening, but however you may reach to your CRM team. However, if you are the existing customer, I mean, if you bought a property in Godrej Ananda, so definitely one CRM they might have assigned to you, right? So you may get in touch with him to check the construction floor. But this is the status. And phase 2 also construction is happening. Construction is fast of Godrej Ananda, Godrej project. Not only this property, anywhere in entire Bangalore, if you look out, their construction, they deliver it before the time actually. It's not properly visible, but we'll look out from outside sometime. I mean later on. This is we have, I just wanted to show it to you. And most importantly, we have phase 3 if anybody is interested for Godrej Ananda upcoming phase for inventories, or if you're planning for a booking, reach out to us. We will make sure that you will be the first person we'll be informing in the market, so that you will get first priority, first options, the first available units which will be available at that time when you're planning for a booking. So take your decision. We are always here to assist you. Don't forget to reach us. If you're watching our video for first time, don't forget to subscribe to us. Stay safe. Nice day.